this sport is really simple as like just getting stronger. That's really it. Just focus on yourself, just being stronger. I never thought I would even like try because I wasn't big and beefy like those guys were. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna try it. I know I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna do it anyway.
And that's kind of like what we want to always preach, is just surpass what you can do. It might not be a crazy, but at least if you can surpass yourself constantly, you're just going to see yourself in a higher place. I would like to see other Native kids just to have that mindset of just be better. And that's, it don't always necessarily mean sports, but just be better at something so you don't get involved in things you shouldn't. So that's why I think it's important that the youth see what we do.
Find a hobby that kind of pushes you, something that just moves you. Whatever you like doing, like we want to try to ingrain that into kids.
Don't worry about how much you can do right now. Worry about what you can do in 12 months. Start small, but start smart. And once you start little and smart, you can build up to something big. You take little steps, man. Baby steps. Everything's always about baby steps. I said, baby steps to get to the big picture.
Diabetes is not our destiny.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews in Ganyiki. I'm a dietitian and nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujewi, Ta, Toragun.
Today we are making pumpkin seed granola. For this recipe you will need 2.5 cups of oats, 3/4 cup of roasted pumpkin seeds, 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1/2 cup of dried cranberries, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. In a medium bowl, combine oats, pumpkin seeds, and cinnamon. Add applesauce and mix well. Pour granola onto a baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Stir halfway through baking. The Otoe word for pumpkin is wadwa. Pumpkins were grown by Native Americans long before Europeans arrived. Native Americans dried strips of pumpkin and wove them into mats. They also roasted long strips of pumpkin on an open fire and ate them. Today, roasted pumpkin seeds are used in many recipes and make great additions to snacks like granola and trail mix. Remove granola from oven and cool. Add cranberries and mix well. This recipe makes 7.5 servings. 1 serving is 1/2 cup. Store granola in an airtight container or in individual snack bags for an easy on-the-go snack. Make this recipe your own. For more flavor, pumpkin pie spice or allspice could be used instead of cinnamon. Roasted peanuts, pecans, sunflower seeds, or pepitas could be used instead of pumpkin seeds. Instead of dried cranberries, try raisins, dried plums, or dried apples. Enjoy granola as a snack on its own or as a topping on your favorite yogurt.